How you doing? My name is Ron. I'm with Stick Jacket Fishing Rod Covers. Just wanted to share my experience with you regarding the Cassville Car Ferry crossing the Mississippi. I've been down this road a few times over the last couple of years, but due to high weather or bad time of the year, I've not been able to take the ferry. Well, this time, June of 2021, looks like I'm finally going to get to cross. This is the road leading down to the ferry. I believe it's 2 miles. We're heading to the Turkey River Ferry Landing. You can just see the ferry up ahead. I had really good timing here. They were ready to go. All I had to do is drive on and get going. Looks like the car ferry will hold 3, 6, 9 cars. Also will take care of semi-trucks, farm implements, pedestrians, bicyclists, motorcyclists. The ride to Cassville from the Iowa side looks like it's about 15 minutes. It's also $15 for a car.
What's the smallest you got?
They do have gift t-shirts available on the ferry. Really reasonable price. They are $10 a piece. Anyway, the rates are $2 for walk-ons, up to $50 for semi-trailers. Cars, vans, and pickups, about $15.
That'll work. If that's the smallest you got. Yeah.
Really good people on the ferry. It's a great time to relax and enjoy the scenery.
Yeah. Yep. What's that? No, I was talking. What do you got on the front there? Is that a camera? Yeah.
Fellow passengers asking me about my camera on the hood of my truck. Again, I'm really been trying to get on this ferry for some time, and I wanted to document what I experienced. I hope you guys enjoy the show. I'll make some comments as we get going here. You may have noticed that the cars on this ferry are a little bit different than what you saw in the close-ups. This was taken the next day from my drone. Get out, relax, take pictures, enjoy the ride. As the ferry pulls out, it turns around on some kind of an axis, so it can point the other direction and push the ferry along. It's quite the little intricate dance. According to my map, from ferry landing to ferry landing, it's 1 mile. This particular landing, like I believe I said, is the Turkey River crossing. Approximately 40 miles south of Prairie du Chien on the Wisconsin side, and 37 miles north from Dubuque, Iowa, on Route US 52 at Oak Ridge Road. ferry opens up at 10 a.m. on the Cassville side. If you're on the Iowa side, there's a call box over there. Push the button on either landing and it'll signal the ferry to come and get you. It's a beautiful view with bluffs on either side of the river here. It's all part of the Great River Road. It's been an adventure that I've been trying to navigate for 3 or 4 years, maybe 5 or 6 years. Lots to see and do on the Great River Road. And there happens to be 2 sides to it. Here we are as the shoreline of the Cassville, Wisconsin. You see the boat landing or the ferry landing just coming into view there. Coming up here, the ferry's going to make a turn towards the landing. The ride on the ferry is very, very smooth. You feel just a little bit of a bump as the ferry makes contact with the ramp. Having a little fun here, coaching and directing the other car goers here to wave hello to me. I don't think they knew they were going to be YouTube stars. Bye! Wave to the camera! Bye! Keep waving! This time of year, the ferry operates 7 days a week, from 10 until 8. Alright, so it's our turn to get off the ferry, so the ferryman won't be angry with me. See ya later. Now I'm heading off to the Eagle's Roost to spend the night. What a really nice resort right on the river. If you got a chance, look them up. Eagle's Roost. The rooms are all new. They have a pool. They're right on the river. Clean rooms. Super nice people. You can't go wrong at the Eagle's Roost. This is an overhead shot up from my drone, showing you the Cassville on the right, and up past that barge on the left is the landing on the Iowa side. Ferry crew starts out their morning by raising the flags, one Wisconsin flag and one Iowa flag. Ferry crew here is signaling for the cars to come on down. There's a designated spot up in the parking lot for people to stage waiting for the ferry to come by. This trip from Cassville to Iowa, I'm going to share the ferry with 2 other vehicles. I think they were commercial vehicles from Iowa going back across the river. This is where you start your wait for the ferry. When he signals you, he just signals you to come on down. It's a real solid feel when you get on the ferry. You don't feel like you're on a boat at all. Ferryman here, he's directed everybody to pull up and make 3 cars deep on the ferry right in the middle. I'm not sure if that's a thing or if they're here to do this to make sure everything is balanced on the ferry. Again, $15 for cars. Alright, as we pull away here, you'll see the ferry start swinging around right away. He'll get it pointed towards the Iowa side and upriver. It takes a couple minutes to make this turn. According to Google, the Cassville Ferry is one of 11 still crossing the Mississippi River. Pay attention to the signs on the ferry. There's some good places to eat here. Wish I'd noticed that the night before. Didn't know where I was going. Cell phone service was minimal with my Verizon plan. But we had a nice quiet evening at the motel. Here we're leaving Cassville. Just a little after 10 a.m. Now we're heading upriver here, probably most of the way up. See a string of barges parked along the Iowa shoreline there. The crew is quite friendly and they're more than happy to talk to you, answer all your questions. Here I go walking up towards the front, looking to get some more video for my handheld Canon. Be sure to check out cassville.org for more information on the ferry, and be sure to check out their sunset cruises from 8 to 10. They aren't often offered, but I think it's something I'm going to try getting back to. I think you disembark from the ferry. So after I pull off here, this is where I get the drone footage that you saw earlier in the video.
Thank you.
Pride of Cassville. It is the real deal and it's very pleasant. Here's a panoramic showing of what Cassville is like right on the river. Hope you enjoyed the music I picked out for you. I'm Ron Boardwine. I'm with stickjacket.com. Hope you enjoyed the show. That's my dog Lou, a Sleepy Lou production. Thanks for joining me. Smash like if you like this. And subscribe, please. Bye for now.